Window furnishings are a crucial part of furnishing your home and creating that designer look. They're as vital as any furniture you choose, and without them, a room just doesn't feel complete. And one of our favourite types of window furnishings are curtains and sheer curtains. When installed floor to ceiling, they make windows look bigger, ceilings look taller, and all whilst adding texture and softness to your room on a grand scale. But there's a few little tricks when hanging your curtains to getting them looking just right. It's called dressing your curtains, and I'm going to show you just how it's done. When you first hang your curtains, they should be dressed to encourage them to fall into rounded, even folds. This is especially important for line drapes and linen curtains, as natural fibres tend to have a greater memory than fabrics like polyester. Start by ensuring the heading tape is folded forward into the room, and from there, fold into an S shape behind the track to create a nice rounded fold. Repeat this S-shaped folding pattern along the full length of your curtain. To dress your curtains, first draw them back into their stacked position. Then, starting from the outside edge, work from the top downward and run your hands firmly down the length of each fold or pleat. Starting from one end, use your hands to fold the curtain in an S shape onto itself to accentuate the folds. Then give it a gentle shake back and forth. Do this in 3 places, near the top, in the middle, and then at the bottom of your curtain. Once complete, give any creases the chance to fall out naturally rather than trying to iron them out. Often sunlight and warmth are enough for most creases to iron out on their own. This can take a couple of weeks, but if there's still creases after this time, a gentle steam should do the trick. Once you've dressed your curtains, ideally don't move them for 24 hours. This allows the fabric memory to form. Now sit back and enjoy your beautiful new curtains and how they totally transform your space by adding texture and softening light and creating effortless luxury in your home.